Okay, perfect. So I'm Logan Kolssak. I am a junior marketing and French major here at Point Loma. And today we're exploring Nease Hall. I'm actually an RA in this year, so it's a freshman hall. Once again, we're going through the freshman hall dorms. So let's just go through the dorm and we'll show you a little bit about Point Loma and about the dorm. So the first thing is the safety here on campus. So in all the residence hall, you have to scan your ID card here to access the dorm. So now as we go in, here's our little lobby area at first. So in here, it's just a little bit of seating area, and we have our lovely box. So the box is my favorite part of the dorm. Inside here, as you can see, there are a ton of snacks, and they're really, really cheap. Here's the prices right here. So this is just a fun place to come, to hang out with friends, and just to, just explore and just have friendships and build that community here at Point Loma. And so this is one of the biggest hangout spots here. Not right now because it's the middle of the day and people have tests, but it's pretty great. So Nease is separated into 8 different floors and kind of is like a staircase. So as we walk, you'll see as we go down the stairs, there will be differences in each of the halls, and you'll kind of see as we walk along. So let's first go to the first floor and go to our lounge. So if you guys have any questions, yeah. So one thing to note about this dorm is that because it is a staircase and it goes down the hill, there will actually be bad connection at times. So just hang with me on that. So right now we're in our lounge. In here, this is a nice spot to kind of just like come and be with people and hang out, play games. We have a TV here hooked up with a bunch of different channels. So Saturday night, Sunday night football games are always a move here in the lounge. Looking all over here, we see like a little space to eat. There's a microwave over there, a dishwasher, an oven, and a toaster. And so this is a place, a communal living area that people can come and that people are able to just like hang out and again, build that community. Now as we walk, I'll show you one of the laundry rooms. Nease is one of my favorites because we have the most laundry of all the freshman dorms. Inside here is our board storage over here. And then over here, we have our first 2 sets of laundry machines. One thing to note about Point Loma is that we actually have free laundry, so you don't have to pay. They actually took out the machine that you had to put in coins before, so now the laundry is completely free. Up here on first floor, these are both guy halls, and we'll continue downstairs and I'll show you what a room looks like. So this is arguably the best hall on campus, Nease 2nd North. This is where I'm an RA at, so it's a lot of fun. So yeah, connection again, but it's a lot of fun down here, and as an RA, I'm in charge of about 20 residents in Nease, and so what that means is that we are able to, we just want to be there and live life with the students, so we want to walk alongside them and encourage them, and we also plan a couple fun events. Last night, we actually had an entire holiday event. So we did Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, and it was actually like super fun. And so we did it all outside. It was socially distant. Everyone was wearing masks, and it was a great time. So here, I'll show you the room right now. So here we are, Nease 217. So inside here, we have our nice view again. I don't really have an ocean view, which is kind of a bummer, but still not bad. Over here is a closet space, so hanging stuff up, storage up top. On this side is the same thing. So these rooms are doubles usually, so it usually fits 2 people. There are my shoes. So usually how the beds are oriented is there's one on one side and one on the other side. So it's usually fits 2 people and usually a double. But I orientated it because I'm only myself this year. So I have my bed and the little couch space over here. So there's a ton of storage all around. We have these drawers given to us by Point Loma. We have more drawers, drawers upon drawers in this room. And again, nice desk space, and it's just a fun place to hang out, and it's cozy. And so yeah, so that's what a room looks like. So let's continue on throughout the rest of Nease. And all the rooms in Nease are that same size. They're pretty spacious, and they're good enough for all of that. Actually, let's first check the bathroom out so you guys can see what that looks like. Anyone in here? No, we're good. So this is what a typical bathroom looks like. 3 stalls, 2 showers, and there's one on the other side as well. So basically in here, it's a communal bathroom. So what that means is that your hall of whoever's in your hall, about 20 people get to share the 2 bathrooms. And honestly, I've never had a problem with it being communal style, just because it is people have different schedules, and so I've never had to wait for a shower or anything. So now we're just going to continue down. This is the one I always use. So in here are a couple washing machines and dryers on this side. We have the whiteboard up so that people actually write down what their name is, number, whatever it is, so that they can actually get their stuff out. Again, laundry is always free, and there's a lot of laundry machines in Nease, and so we'll continue down. Hi, Sophie.
Hi.
So once again, if there's poor connection, totally down throughout the levels and the floors, so the connection issues probably will happen. So we're going to go into our second. So this is our next lounge. This is the 3rd floor lounge. This is more, tends to be used for more of a study lounge. So people come in here and it's a nice quiet place to just look and to just have and hang out and study with. Carissa, I am good. How are you doing today? So as we continue, you can just see, again, that's a pretty incredible view. I think as we get farther down in Nease, we'll actually start seeing the sunset, which will be fun. But yeah, this is lounge 3 on the 3rd floor lounge. And so, yeah, that's a study space, and it's really, really actually fun to study in because it's a nice time to get out of your room and go somewhere to study. And that's always helpful so you're not just in your room distracted like I usually am. So we'll continue down. So now we're on 4th floor, and again, they're separated on both sides, north and south. And so how Nease works is that, and how all the freshman halls work is they are co-ed in the sense that each hall is separated into guys or girls. So the first floor is all guys, 2nd north that I was on, that's all guys, and 2nd south is all girls. And then as we continue down through Nease, we just see these are all going to be girl halls. So we're going to take a quick peek in here. So this is someone doing class, so I'll get out of here. But this is our kitchen. And so the kitchen is just, again, a place where there's an oven, just basic appliances that you can go to use to cook any kind of food because your room will not be equipped with a stove or an oven. So we have the kitchen there for that purpose. Again, here's another laundry room we have. Hello. So in there, again, more laundry spaces. And we'll just continue down farther into Nease. I love all the comments. Thank you. I love all my friends. You guys are the best. Okay, so this is our 5th floor lounge. Inside here, we have a ping pong table that isn't set up right now. Again, social distance. Again, another TV that you can come to watch. A lot of people bring their Switches and they'll play Mario Kart, which I'm not very good at, but there we are. And again, we'll see the sun keep going down and the views. Yeah, so we'll just continue. Another space to hang out. Nease is unique in the way that we have so many hangout spaces and so many different lounges and kitchens. So again, it is probably my favorite dorm, and I was here freshman year, and I'm here this year, my junior year, because I'm an RA here. Okay, now as we go over here, this is our huge laundry room. Hi there. So in here, there's just a bunch of washing machines and dryers on both sides. So in this box, again, there's a bunch of snacks, and you can come and buy a lot of things. So I like to get Arizona iced teas down here because they are my favorite. But yeah, so again, another little hangout space, another area, and then there's a box full of food and snacks. So we'll continue outside, and I'll show you my favorite spot on the tour. So we walk down here, and then there's a little patio area over there on this side. So we'll go look at that. Okay, so this is my favorite spot, pretty much on campus, not gonna lie. This is our patio on the 6th floor. So there's a little fire pit that is available to use at any time as long as there's propane in it. Again, there's the ocean over there. And this is a nice spot, honestly, just to relax and sit down and, have a meal with friends, or literally just anything you want to do outside. It's a good place to study, to suntan. My favorite part, the lights aren't on right now because it's not nighttime, but these lights up here light up. The lights light up and it makes a really cute patio scene. So yeah, so that's Nease. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them to me. And if not, I don't see any questions on the list. But yeah, it was fun exploring Nease with you guys. It's a super great place to live, super fun. The community is incredible. And overall, it's just, it's a nice place to live, and I've enjoyed living there. So I'll catch you guys later. It was fun hanging out with y'all.